Hi there, my name's the Squealing Bush, and welcome to the first video on my channel. This video will be a compilation of kills from the National Airsoft Festival 2025. I apologise for the quality of the clips in this video, as I am currently using an average clip cam that I purchased at the festival for £30 second hand. Future videos will hopefully contain higher quality content, and I have only put hit markers on confirmed kills, as I am definitely not as good a shot as I think I am, and will only assume if I have hit somebody if they call it. Thank you and enjoy the video.
Yeah, who's that? That's others. Who's that?
That's all for today, folks. Thank you very much for watching, and in case any of you are curious, my setup will be in the description. Please consider subscribing and liking the video to help me progress my channel and show my content to more people. Thank you and have a good day.